Hey gang, it's me, Tony, and I am here at the Department of Social Services delivering community care cards to our friends at DSS. Thank you very much. I was able to gather together a room full of those frontline leaders that's here at the Department of Social Services and just let them know that there's a group of folks that are rooting for them, and just kind of share with them, especially what we do with the community care cards, that it's not just writing something on a card and throwing it in an envelope, but it's really intercessors, people that intervene, that stand in the gap, and pray for folks that are unsung heroes, praying for folks that don't get a whole lot of thank yous, but if they were not doing what they would do every day, we'd be in a world of hurt. Hey gang, I am right in front of the Westview Fire Station, and I had just dropped off their care that are here, and I just let them know that there was a group of people, group of volunteers, about 50 of them, that had them in mind when they not only wrote down the care card, but they prayed for them in advance, standing in the gap for the folks that just really take care of our community.